and we're going to start inputting data into this database. So we have our buttons found. We'll set up some on-click listeners for them. There goes that. And with the add button, we will call the add entry method. And we'll do the show 30 button. And we will call the show 30 method. We have not made either of these yet, so let's make them right now. Okay, we have our edit text found right here. So what we're going to do with the add entry is we're going to grab the information from those two edit texts and add them into the database. So string name equals edit text name dot get text to string trim, and same thing for the age. Okay. Now with these, I'm gonna make a comment real quick. From the first video. Let's see. I have two edits. Okay, so remember, this is how we insert data into, this is the query we use to insert data into a table, just using standard query language. And yeah, we can make a string, just like in our database helper, we can make a string, and then we can call the database to execute that SQL statement. We can do that, but Java has built-in, I'm not sure if it's Java or Android, but there's built-in methods that can take care of this. So instead of us putting, you know, the name string right there and the age string right there, what we can do is we'll call the db.insert method, and it's going to ask for your string table name. That'll be the first. So tutorial table is the name of our table. And the second parameter is, I think, the null column hack. Let's see. Yep, the null column hack. We'll just pass null to it. And the third is the values. Okay. So, what are the values? You see right here how SQL, you put the values. So we're going to insert into a tutorial table, into column name, column age, and these are the values we want to insert in there. So values, there's a class set up for that called content values. So we're going to make it a global variable, and right here we're going to initialize it. And that's all there is to that. Now you have a values, a variable that you can use. So that's what we'll do. We'll add this stuff into that values. So we'll go values.put, and the first parameter is the key and value. If you're familiar with JSON or hash maps, and the key value pair, very similar. It's the same thing pretty much. Values.put, you will put the name of the column. In this case, it will be name. Oops. and we're going to put what we grabbed from the edit text right here. That's going to go into the name column. And we're going to do values.put, and we're going to do age is the name of the other column, and we're going to put in the age that we grabbed from those edit texts. And that's it. Because whenever we pocket this information from the edit texts into our values variable, we are going to insert it into tutorial table. And that's it. Now you've just created a record. That simple. And then we'll do values.clear. That way we can enter more text into the edit text and the values will start fresh because it will be cleared on each button click. Alright, let's see. Alright, and picking up where we left off, I just hooked up my phone. I did not have that hooked up. But after we clear these, I don't know why this happens. What the heck? I can't enter anything in. Sorry about that. I don't know why it wasn't letting me enter spaces in. I just closed out the main activity and reopened it. And it worked. But after values, we will set the edit text to blank. age.setText blank. That way we enter in the name and it goes blank. We'll let this Gradle build for like 30 hours. Pause the video. And here it is. So we will go ahead and enter in name 1. And name 1 is 22. We'll add it. Name 2. 22 is 33. But you can just see how that works. Okay. I'm going to go back to my activity main to those edit texts and set a hint. Okay, so now we'll be able to see that change here. But this is only inserting the data. This is inserting the data and nothing's appearing here in this list view. So why don't we go to the list view now? We are going to, let's see. Next video we'll go to the list view. We'll make our own custom cursor adapter. I'll stop this video here.